بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most compassionate.
وَالذَّارِيَاتِ ذَرْوًا.
By the winds which scatter dust,
فَالْحَامِلَاتِ وِقْرًا.
which carry clouds laden with water,
فَالْجَارِيَاتِ يُسْرًا.
which then smoothly speed along,
فَالْمُقَسِّمَاتِ أَمْرًا.
and execute the great task of apportioning rainfall.
إِنَّمَا تُوعَدُونَ لَصَادِقٌ.
Surely what you are being warned against is true.
وَإِنَّ الدِّينَ لَوَاقِعٌ.
And the judgment shall doubtlessly take place.
وَالسَّمَاءِ ذَاتِ الْحُبُكِ.
By the heaven with its numerous forms.
إِنَّكُمْ لَفِي قَوْلٍ مُخْتَلِفٍ.
Surely you are at variance about the hereafter,
يُؤْفَكُ عَنْهُ مَنْ أُفِكَ.
though only those who are averse to the truth will turn away from believing in it.
قُتِلَ الْخَرَّاصُونَ.
Doomed are the conjecturers,
الَّذِينَ هُمْ فِي غَمْرَةٍ سَاهُونَ.
who are steeped in ignorance and heedlessness.
يَسْأَلُونَ أَيَّانَ يَوْمُ الدِّينِ.
They ask, when will the day of judgment be?
يَوْمَ هُمْ عَلَى النَّارِ يُفْتَنُونَ.
It will be the day when they shall be scourged by the fire.
ذُوقُوا فِتْنَتَكُمْ هَذَا الَّذِي كُنْتُمْ بِهِ تَسْتَعْجِلُونَ.
And be told, taste your ordeal. This is what you were seeking to hasten.
إِنَّ الْمُتَّقِينَ فِي جَنَّاتٍ وَعُيُونٍ.
As for the God-fearing, they shall be in the midst of gardens and fountains,
آخِذِينَ مَا آتَاهُمْ رَبُّهُمْ إِنَّهُمْ كَانُوا قَبْلَ ذَلِكَ مُحْسِنِينَ.
joyously receiving what their Lord will have granted them. Verily, they did good works before the coming of this day.
كانوا قليلا من الليل ما يهجعون.
They used to sleep but little by night,
وبالأسحار هم يستغفرون.
and would ask for forgiveness at dawn.
وفي أموالهم حق للسائل والمحروم.
And in their wealth there was a rightful share for him who would ask, and for the destitute.
وفي الأرض آيات للموقنين.
There are many signs on earth for those of sure faith.
وفي أنفسكم أفلا تبصرون.
And also in your own selves. Do you not see?
وفي السماء رزقكم وما توعدون.
And in heaven is your provision, and also what you're being promised.
فورب السماء والأرض إنه لحق مثل ما أنكم تنطقون.
So by the Lord of the heaven and the earth, this is certainly true as the fact of your speaking.
هل أتاك حديث ضيف إبراهيم المكرمين.
O Prophet, did the story of Abraham's honored guests reach you?
إذ دخلوا عليه فقالوا سلاما قال سلام قوم منكرون.
When they came to him, they said, "Peace." He said, "Peace also be to you. You seem to be a group of strangers."
فراغ إلى أهله فجاء بعجل سمين.
Then he went back to his family and brought a fat roasted calf.
فقربه إليهم قال ألا تأكلون.
And laid it before them, saying, "Will you not eat?"
فأوجس منهم خيفة قالوا لا تخف وبشروه بغلام عليم.
Then he became afraid of them. They said, "Fear not," and announced to him the good news of the birth of a boy endowed with knowledge.
فأقبلت امرأته في صرة فصكت وجهها وقالت عجوز عقيم.
So hearing, his wife went forth shouting. She struck her face and exclaimed, "A barren old woman am I?"
قالوا كذلك قال ربك إنه هو الحكيم العليم.
They said, "So has your Lord said, that you shall have a boy. Surely he is most wise, all-knowing."
قال فما خطبكم أيها المرسلون.
Abraham said, "Envoys of Allah, what is your errand?"
قالوا إنا أرسلنا إلى قوم مجرمين.
They replied, "Behold, we have been sent to a wicked people,
لنرسل عليهم حجارة من طين
that we may unleash a shower of clay stones,
مسومة عند ربك للمسرفين.
marked by your Lord, upon those who go beyond the limits."
فأخرجنا من كان فيها من المؤمنين.
Then we evacuated therefrom all the believers,
فما وجدنا فيها غير بيت من المسلمين.
and we did not find there any apart from a single house of Muslims.
وتركنا فيها آية للذين يخافون العذاب الأليم.
And we left therein a sign for those who fear the grievous chastisement.
وفي موسى إذ أرسلناه إلى فرعون بسلطان مبين.
There's also a sign for you in the story of Moses, when we sent him with a clear authority to Pharaoh.
فتولى بركنه وقال ساحر أو مجنون.
But Pharaoh turned away, showing arrogance on account of his power, and said about Moses, "He is either a sorcerer or a madman."
فأخذناه وجنوده فنبذناهم في اليم وهو مليم.
So we seized him and his hosts, and cast them into the sea. He became an object of much blame.
وفي عاد إذ أرسلنا عليهم الريح العقيم.
There's also a sign for you in the story of Ad, when we let loose upon them an ominous wind.
ما تذر من شيء أتت عليه إلا جعلته كالرميم.
That left nothing that it came upon without reducing it to rubble.
وفي ثمود إذ قيل لهم تمتعوا حتى حين.
There's also a sign for you in the story of Thamud. They were told, "Enjoy yourselves for a while."
فعتوا عن أمر ربهم فأخذتهم الصاعقة وهم ينظرون.
But they brazenly disobeyed their Lord's command, and then a sudden chastisement overtook them while they looked on.
فما استطاعوا من قيام وما كانوا منتصرين.
They were unable even to stand up or protect themselves.
وقوم نوح من قبل إنهم كانوا قوما فاسقين.
Before all these, we destroyed the people of Noah. They were a wicked people.
والسماء بنيناها بأيد وإنا لموسعون.
And heaven, we made it with our own power, and we have the power to do so.
والأرض فرشناها فنعم الماهدون.
And the earth, we spread it out, and how well have we smoothed it.
ومن كل شيء خلقنا زوجين لعلكم تذكرون.
And of everything we have created pairs, perhaps you will take heed.
ففروا إلى الله إني لكم منه نذير مبين.
Flee therefore to Allah. Surely I am a clear warner to you from Him.
ولا تجعلوا مع الله إلها آخر إني لكم منه نذير مبين.
And do not set up any deity with Allah. Surely I am a clear warner to you from Him.
كذلك ما أتى الذين من قبلهم من رسول إلا قالوا ساحر أو مجنون.
Thus has it been in the past. Never did a messenger come to the nations that preceded them, but they said, He is a sorcerer or a madman.
أتواصوا به بل هم قوم طاغون.
Have they arrived at a common understanding concerning this? No, but they are a people given to transgression.
فتول عنهم فما أنت بملوم.
So turn your attention away from them. You shall incur no blame.
وذكر فإن الذكرى تنفع المؤمنين.
Do, however, keep exhorting them, for exhortation benefits those endowed with faith.
وما خلقت الجن والإنس إلا ليعبدون.
I created the jinn and humans for nothing else but that they may serve me.
ما أريد منهم من رزق وما أريد أن يطعمون.
I desire from them no provision, nor do I want them to feed me.
إن الله هو الرزاق ذو القوة المتين.
Surely Allah is the bestower of all provision, the Lord of all power, the strong.
فإن للذين ظلموا ذنوبا مثل ذنوب أصحابهم فلا يستعجلون.
The wrongdoers shall receive a portion of the chastisements as their fellows of yore, so let them not rush me.
فويل للذين كفروا من يومهم الذي يوعدون.
Woe then betide those who disbelieved in that day of theirs, which they are being asked to hold in dread.